But I'd like to know, I'm curious, what do people who stay at home who don't have kids do? So much better going shopping by yourself without the men, because they try to dictate everything you buy. The healthy spaghetti bolognese with zucchini noodles. Seriously, Aussie? Ready for a fun day? Here we are, guys. Here we motherfucking are.
My man proposed to me.
Guys, look at my hair. I have got the week off of work. Just finished a walk. Went for a 3.5K walk. I'm back now and I'm about to get started on dinner. Gonna put it in a slow cooker and maybe make a stew with some veggies. And a lot of you guys said that you guys like when I cook. I'm gonna try and show a little bit more of that on my vlogs. Okay guys, I almost forgot to come back and film again. I know, word of a lie, just make this up. I've got blade roast in there, some garlic, onions, a little bit of red wine. I didn't measure it. Some olive oil drizzled over, spices like thyme, rosemary, salt, pepper, and beef stock. And then I'm gonna just chuck in these tomatoes. I just make it up as I go. Just use whatever's in my fridge, literally. And the meat that I'm using is hormone free and organic, 100% grass fed. They've never received antibiotics or any types of hormones or anything like that. And the reason I do that is because obviously if the cows are being injected, what's being injected into them is what you're consuming. So guys, I just chucked in my cabbage. I chucked my veggies in there about an hour ago. So the meat looks pretty cooked through to me. So this is what it turned out to be. And yeah, bon appetit. Sorry, it's the next day or a couple days later. I'm not sure when I last picked up the camera. Oh no, it was yesterday. I've just been enjoying my time at home. Like, it's been awesome. I could literally get used to this, like being a stay-at-home wife. But I'd like to know, I'm curious, what do people who stay at home who don't have kids do? Like, sometimes I don't even know what to do with myself. I'm just so free and I'm relaxing, going for walks, going to the gym. It's just been so nice. I've even cleaned up the house a bit, rearranged furniture. I've rearranged this room, which hasn't been rearranged since we moved in. I'm just on my way to Kmart and Big W to get, I don't know, something looks bare here, so maybe like a rug. Somebody asked for a plant update. This is my palm. I don't know if it's even growing. This morning I just spent a lot of time snipping off all the dead ends, some dead ones that were at the bottom. Trying to sell this one on Gumtree. I've got this one, which has been rehomed to the desk. It used to be up on the kitchen bench. This one is thriving up here. This one's my other alocasia. I put this tape on it because it was just like not doing okay down here. My philodendron horsehead. This one is actually thriving. It's gotten like 5 new leaves in the last few. So I'm trying to sell this one too because I don't know what to do with it. I just don't feel like I have the time. This one's my lily. This was white. It's gone green now. And I had another one which I had to snip off. This one's my philodendron birkin. There are some new leaves. I probably should repot it into this actual pot. And the rest are in the bathrooms and I just can't be bothered. So yeah, I'm on my way to Big W and Kmart, trying to go and look for some bedroom decor. I'm loving this. Like, I've never taken leave to just stay at home and do nothing. Other than the odd couple of sick days, but like, even when you're sick, you're at home because you're sick and you can't really do anything or you can't go anywhere. It's just such an awesome feeling, and I'm like, why don't I do this more often? Just take time off and just stay at home and relax. Do the little things around the house that you need to get done, and then you go back to work refreshed. Sorry guys, I also forgot to show you, this is only half and it started growing after a week, and so I've only put half in, and look at that new life in there. So yeah, that's what I'm trying. I might change the water out, but once it grows I'm gonna plant it and have my own celery. And off we go, people. So I've got my electrolytes here, potassium, all the minerals that you need, plus a little bit of sea salt I sprinkled in there. All right, I'll call you back in a bit. I just gotta let all the fuck go in. So much better going shopping by yourself without the men because they try to dictate everything you buy. And you know what? I was just pouring stuff into the trolley. I was like, yep, I need this, I need this, I need this. So a couple things turned into a lot of things. Oops. Thinking this one goes in our room above the bed. It's a Birds in Paradise, like up there. Otherwise it was the two other frames. Looks kind of random, don't you think? Holy crap. Here. I think that looks way better. And I've just put the rug down. I had it like straight on, but I thought it didn't really look nice. It looked really weird. And I really wanted a circle one, but I didn't want to pay 70 bucks for it. This one was 45, so I was going to go with that one. I just put aside some crammed fish for Aussie, because Aussie's going to have that for dinner with this salad that I just whipped up. It's got a bit of ham, tomatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and cos lettuce. My dinner, guys. It's about 4:33. I'm about to eat my dinner. So I've settled for this one in this room, guys. I'm gonna see how I go with these.
Just missing a thing. Just put it in the middle so the thing is gonna hang up.
Ah, finally got it up, guys. I can't decide whether it's straight or not. Well, I did a dang good job by myself while you were just relaxing there. I secretly wish I kept that one for our room because I honestly don't like the way that this one looks. I don't like it. I really don't like it. So I fixed it up a bit, guys. That's what it looks like now. And I'm pretty happy with that. Morning, guys. Morning, guys. It's like 6:30 at the moment on a Saturday. Got Bicky today, but I'm gonna go and do a body pump class before Bicky. Gotta get them gains in. Gotta get them gains. Gotta get them gains. I also got my lunch. I was cooking last night at like 6:30. It's a healthy spaghetti bolognese with zucchini noodles. Seriously, Aussie?
What's wrong?
What's wrong with your ass? Yeah, so going to the gym now. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, gosh. Gonna brush this teeth. Do you like my cute little drink bottle that I bought yesterday? Cost $37. Can you believe? This big boy's going to the gym too. Gym, big boy?
Gym.
Guys, we just finished body pump class. Well, Molly had a Fit 30 class. And I'm smoked. Smoked. Aussie's already on his way to the farm. We're going to the farmer's market and then going to the farm.
Okay, already.
So we just finished at the farmer's market. It was so much fun because we were like pulling around our granny trolley. Molly kindly offered to change with me because I wear this shirt to the gym. Oh, I wear this shirt to the gym. The one that she's wearing, a crop. And I'm like, I'm not trying to do this at the farmer's market. So she was like, give it to me, I'll wear it, I don't care. I was like, oh, thank you.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Molly. Victoria made me wear this shirt. And well, well, we're going to the farm to sweat our bums off again, I guess. I forgot to tell everyone, and I haven't told them on my channel that.
Wait, Molly.
That.
Wait.
Shut up! Hurry up.
Wait!
I don't care.
Wait for a second. Just wait for one whole second.
And I told everyone.
One whole second. Molly was going to do her announcement, guys. Molly has a big announcement.
Oh my gosh, Victoria is so annoying. Sometimes you just want to doof her in the head. Okay. All right. Now, you got me on the wrong lighting. I'm not saying it anymore.
Oh.
Okay, guys. Let's leave her because she's so annoying. Let's see who's going to Rugby Tots over here.
I'm going to...
Say, what's up, SV Squad?
What's up,
Come on.
Squad?
Say it.
What's up, SV
Can't hear ya, man. You're doing that voice again. Say it. Bye, Felicia. He be talking too much. Leave him. Bye. Ha. So, guys, listen. There is news. The news is that my man proposed to me. And, well, now they can't see me, Vicky, on the live.
Yes, they can. The camera's up here.
Listen, so I'm really sorry I can't show you a picture of who my Aunt Maze is because he ain't...
Molly, can you talk properly?
He ain't... I am talking properly. You're annoying. He ain't social media person, okay? So just... Here's a picture. Vicky's gonna put a picture here of SpongeBob. I'm not wearing the ring, so it's inside. I was at the gym. So hopefully on my wedding day and in preparations,
Girl, that's why your girl trying to look snatched. We have to go to Bicky now, guys. Ready for a fun day?
no.
Here we are, guys. Here we mother freaking are.
But she had said that she wanted to book with me today, and that but she would wait for the results.
Tons.
If the results came, then she would bulk bill me. Can you just check that with her? Otherwise, I'm just going to book it in on
hurting
weekday.
and I'm sweating and I.
But they won't want to get in.
We picked last. Oh, I'm so hot, guys. I need to take off this jumper. Actually, let me take it off. Let me take it off. Let me take it off. Eh, mo ini ko maka.
Jesus.
Molly, they've seen enough of you today.
You really haven't, have you? Look at my hair. Looking like a whole lot of snack, girl. But blue looks so good on me. Look at her. Yeah. Yes.
So tired. Been doing this Bicky game for a long time. So this is pretty much what we do after. We just chill out and relax. And it's just the best feeling. It's like ecstasy. It's like when you finish. Ah? Ah? Camera. Yeah, guys, we're going home now because there's a fast fundraiser going on. Usually, what I was trying to say is we chill here for like a good hour and wait for the money. Hey, the free service here. Wait, picking off here, it's very humbling. No matter how far we get in life, I'll always remember this. This has literally set my family's foundation, never to forget where we came from. These hard works, my parents worked so hard for our education, to feed us, clothe us. And now we're all blessed. We're all blessed. My siblings are blessed. And we have so much to be grateful for, to our mum and dad for leading the way. This is our humble beginnings. When you look at this vineyard, crazy. 28 years. I'm about to go now because we've got to get ready for the fast, but I just wanted to show you guys a snippet of our childhood. Still doing it to this day. Oh my gosh, guys, I am here for this weather. It is beautiful. It's like so cold and crisp. I feel like going for a nice stroll in this rain. This old man's still asleep. So this is my air fryer that my good sis... I had this sitting in the garage just for a couple of hours while we went to Bicky. Must have crawled in there or somehow. But this is from my good sis Molly. She gave it to me for free because she already had one. And this was... seriously, why would you leave the fork in there, Aussie? Zucchini pasta. It's got some, yeah, well, you guys saw, you know what I mean. And today I'm going to be making slow cooked lamb with beans, veggies, broccoli. I was actually really hesitant to take the air fryer just because I'm not a fan of having so many gadgets. Like, I've got this Philips one, which is a slow cooker and a pressure cooker. It does 2-in-1. It does a little bit of baking. I've never used the baking feature of it. So we've Come home from church now, and I'm just prepping some sides. So today I'm just using some nutritional yeast. Just sprinkle on it, and some salt and pepper. So in here I've got zucchini, beans, and broccoli. It's been about 7-ish hours, I think, or almost 7 hours, and it's just so tender. Look at that. I mean, I could have left it a little bit longer and made it, you know, really, really tender, but I'm just too hungry to wait. Oh yeah. Just got it with some veggies on the side there. Hey guys, I just got home from work. I don't know if you guys know, but One Oak Custom had a giveaway a couple of weeks ago, and Aussie and I won it. So shout out to One Oak Custom. If you guys don't already know who they are, go ahead and follow them on Instagram. Victoria and Siaosi, congrats on the win. You had so many people that supported you both. It is a testament to how awesome you both are as people. Thank you for supporting our page business. We do this monthly to gift our followers and influencers they nominate. I've customized this the best I can and hope it hangs beautifully inside your home. We'll all see it together, okay guys? On the count of 3, we're gonna see it. 1, 2, 3.
Go! Whoa!
Oh my gosh! That is so nice! Wow, that is amazing. Thank you so much. Shout out to One Oak Custom. Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
That's so beautiful.
Amazing.